Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Lola Palosa. May pinakabagong post. Dalang buwan na lang, Lola Palosa na. At pinusuan agad ito ng 1,500 mahigit. At syempre, bumugod agad ang number 1 na komento about SB19. Super excited for this amazing Filipino artist. Of course, SB19. Halos lahat SB19, SB19. Super exciting lahat. Lalo na ang 18 sa Amerika sa performances ng SB19. May komento dito, pag isali ang mahalima SB19 sa after show ay talaga namang ubos agad ang tickets. Totoo yan. Kaya naman Lola Palosa, ano pang hinihintay? I-add nyo na, idagdag nyo na ang aming SB19 sa inyong after show at tiyak aabot yan ng 100,000 concert goers ang 18 na manood. Meanwhile, tuloy-tuloy tayo sa pagbasa ng mga komento na halos lahat SB19. Super excited!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.